Hi, it is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am here to share a breathing technique with you today. Today, we are going to be practicing our countdown to calm breath. This is out of our Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck, and this is one of my favorites. So go ahead and join me as we count down to calm. So to start, you are going to be in your seated mountain posture, meaning that your feet are on the floor in front of you. You're in some sort of chair. Your back is straight. Your head is reaching tall. Your shoulders are down and back in that strong seated mountain posture. Remember, this is our foundational posture that we always like to begin with so that we know we have that strong straight back. Our shoulders are back, our core is engaged, our head is tall, and this gets us ready for our next step. So from our sitting mountain posture, we are going to hold a hand up. And what we're going to do is we are going to count to 5 as we breathe in through our nose. Once we get to 5, we're going to pause. And then as we exhale through our nose, we're going to count down to 1, okay? So this one's a little tricky. It takes some coordination, but once you practice it a few times, I think you'll get it and you'll find that it is really relaxing, really calming, centering, and also helps to improve our focus. It releases frustrations and that counting down aspect, and it can alleviate your anxiety as well. So a lot of great benefits to this one. So let's try it together. So go ahead and hold your hand up, and we're going to breathe in through our nose together. Ready? Pause. And then out. Good. The key here is to try to breathe in the whole 5 in through our nose and then breathe out through our nose the whole 5 countdown as well. It's a little bit tricky. And again, it may take some practice, but the more you practice it, the better you'll get at it. So let's try it again. Again, breathing in through our nose, trying to last all 5 seconds as we count up, and then breathe out as we count down. Ready? Pause. Good. I even felt myself improving as I did it that second time. Now, if you find that counting up and counting down with your fingers is a little tricky, you can do it in your head too. You don't have to use your hand. So let's practice that one time together as well. Just counting in our head. Pause. Good. If you found that easier, or maybe you feel like you could do that and other people may not notice what you're doing if you don't want to hold up your hand, that's great too. Just count up in your head and down as you breathe out, and that works just the same. Remember, we want these to work for you, to help you to calm your body, to increase your focus, to alleviate your anxiety, and to help you just feel better inside. So hopefully the countdown to calm will help you do just that. Thank you for joining me today. Again, this is out of our Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck. And I'm Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.